Merge events glues multiple events together into one. You can merge instrument or audio parts. The default keyboard shortcut for this is G. For audio clips, this symbol indicates that clips have been merged. The original event boundaries can still be accessed by double-clicking, pressing F2 on the keyboard, or clicking on Edit to open the editor. Within the editor, we can perform edits on the separate events, for example fades, volume adjustments, or reversing the audio. We can even shorten or split the events here too, all while the clips stay merged in the main arrangement. Adding event effects is also possible. To unmerge in the arrangement, select the event and under the audio menu click Dissolve Audio Part. Processing done in the editor will still remain.